all of our folks, our whole team here is very concerned about these types of events.
It was tough when it happened, 20,000 officers, but we're like a family.
2 Manitoba RCMP officers, one off duty and one on duty, have died by suicide in recent months. The deaths have deeply affected members across the province, while conversations continue around workload, burnout, and mental health concerns within the force. The National Police Federation confirmed the 2 deaths took place in September and October. Union Prairie Director Bobby Baker says many officers are struggling to keep up with long hours and demanding workloads, particularly in smaller detachments where staffing levels remain low.
We have a lot of supports, but the burnout and the toll everything takes along the way is what's really at the heart of everything.
A 2024 study called Behind the Badge found RCMP members are 6 times more likely than the general public to screen positive for a mental health disorder. Manitoba RCMP's Assistant Commissioner says wellness teams have been deployed and members are encouraged to reach out for help.
Critical incident debriefings are conducted with the impacted employees or impacted units and detachments. And that's all categories of employees, whether they are regular members, support staff, civilian members, you name it.
The RCMP admits staffing has been a challenge in Manitoba, with roughly 15% of positions currently vacant, one of the highest rates in the country. McMurtry says nearly 60 new recruits are expected by spring to help ease that pressure. However, Baker says while they are on the right track, more needs to be done.
We need to staff our major crimes units that are being burnt out and where the most recent officer that took his life came from. We need to staff those units. We need Ottawa to process the applicants. It's hard to believe that there's over 20,000 applicants in the queue for the RCMP right now.
City News reached out to the federal government's Minister for Safety. We did not hear back by broadcast deadline. Both the RCMP and the National Police Federation say they're focused on supporting officers and reducing workloads. In Winnipeg, Mitchell Ringos, City News.